Welcome. If you ever found yourself overwhelmed by notifications from posts you commented on Facebook Web, this quick guide will show you how to turn them off with a fresh update. By the end, you'll have a calmer inbox and still stay in the loop for anything truly important. First, open Facebook on your web browser. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to adjust. You'll find the action steps right where Facebook keeps its settings organized so you won't have to dig through menus for ages. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile photo. This opens a small drop-down with quick access to personalized options. It's the gateway to your account preferences without hunting through countless menus. From there, choose Settings and Privacy. This section houses all the controls you need to tailor your Facebook experience. It's designed to be user-friendly, guiding you through each category with clear labels. Then click Settings. This is where the deeper customization happens. You'll see a long list of options, but you're aiming for notifications, so focus your attention there. It's the central hub for controlling what kind of alerts you receive. Now select Notifications. Here you'll find various categories like comments, tags, and posts. Each category represents a different way Facebook can alert you about activity related to your account. From tags, disable posts that you commented on before. This specific option targets those posts where your earlier engagement triggered follow-up notices. Turning it off stops those particular notifications from reaching you without affecting other important alerts. If you ever want to tweak further, you can review other notification categories in the same screen. For example, you might want to keep notifications for direct messages or important updates while silencing activity from posts you've engaged with in the past. And that's it. 3 quick steps to regain control over your notifications on Facebook Web. You'll notice fewer interruptions, but you'll still stay informed about the things that matter most to you.